Hello guys, today let's use material to create a transition effect in Unreal Engine. So first, let's create a material. Then we add a text chord and a rotator. Also, we can use material function custom rotator. Then add a component mask. We need use R channel. Now you can see, we haven't set the rotation yet. Here we set a 45-degree rotation for it, so 0.125. If we want to change its direction, we can set it negative 0.125. Okay. Then we add 1 minus and take the mean. Now we have a symmetrical effect. Then we add a smooth step and the mean is negative 0.3 and max is 0.7 so that its value range become larger. Then we give it a step gradient, same way as used before. Multiply by tiling. Let's create a parameter, rename it to tiling, and the default value is 10. Then add a floor and divide by this tiling. Now we have a step gradient like this. Then we add a lerp, connect it to alpha, and input A we need a MPC, material parameter collection. So let's create an MPC. Add a scalar parameter and rename it to mask. Okay, add a MPC. We use mask parameter and connect it to input A. And input B we use mask subtract a bias. Default value is 1. Okay. Then we add a sign, make this effect loop. So its value will be 0 to 1 to 0. Let's change mask to show the effect. For the convenience of show, let's change MPC to 10. And we can add a multiply to control its speed. Default value is 0.5. Okay, the effect is slower. Then we need another text chord to create a gradient, a vertical gradient. Then we use sign subtract the gradient. And we need a seal. Okay, we have a top mask. And we need a bottom. Same way, add 1 minus, use sign subtract 1 minus, and seal. Okay, now let's create some intervals for mask. Copy this node and multiply it by a tiling. Also, we need a parameter and rename it to intervals tiling. Default value is 10. Then we add a flag. This will result in multiple intervals of 0 to 1. Finally, add a round. Now we get intervals. And multiply it by mask. Okay. Bottom we need 1 minus and multiply it. Then max term. Now we have a transition mask. And change material domain to UI. Add a lerp. We need a texture for transition. We can use any texture we like. Here we use a nebula texture. Connect it to input B. Okay, it looks good. We can also add a distort for the texture. It's very easy. A text chord, add a noise texture, and a panner. Then we add a dynamic emissive color for texture. Just add a sign and a time. Value 1 is 2, value 2 is 3. Okay, connect multiply to input B. Yeah, it looks better. Now we use MPC instead of time. And create a widget blueprint. Add a canvas panel. And we need a blur, background blur. Change its size, fill screen. Then we need to give it an animation. Add a new animation. Find blur strength. When time is 0, we set blur strength is 0. And 1.25 blur strength is 100. And 2.5 blur strength is 0. Okay. Finally, add an image. We use the material we just created. Oh, we need the background is opacity, so let's change the material. Connect max to opacity and change blend mode to mask. Okay, it should be work. Yeah, this is the effect we want. And we need another animation. Let's add a track LPC transition. Find our mask parameter. We can see there is no effect when it is 0. So the start value is 0 and end value is 1.8. Okay, set this value. In graph, we need to play our animation. So let's get new animation and create a custom event. Rename it to play. Then play our animation here. Okay. Finally, we need to load our widget blueprint in the level blueprint. First, we create a begin play. Then add a widget blueprint. Add to viewport. Then play our animation. Okay, now let's see the effect. There seems to be some problem with the widget blueprint. Let's take a look. Okay, we found it. Its anchor should be full screen. Let's see it again. Okay, it's work. We can add other changes when transition, such as change character position. Okay, in the level blueprint, add a sequencer and set our character position when delay 1.25, the half of transition. Then set actor location and get player pawn as target. New location is 0090. Okay, let's see the effect. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.